This is massive. This is drama on the global economic stage. Because while India celebrates a historic trade deal with Europe, the US is very angry. Yes, they are angry. You're watching Times XP. It's me, Dhruti, and let me tell you what really happened here. India and European Union have officially sealed a deal being called the mother of all trade deals. It's years in the making. It slashes tariff on European goods entering India. It opens doors for cars, tech, pharma, textiles, and more. This particular deal could reshape global supply chain, shifting the balance of trade in favor of India and Europe as well. But here's why the US is mad. Washington is saying that we sacrifice more and Europe chooses India instead. Well, US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent, he openly criticized Europe for striking the pact, specifically while the US had imposed steep tariff on India over its Russian oil purchases. In short, the US is feeling sidestepped, ignored, challenged. Now, why this deal is such a game changer? Think about that. Europe gains easier access to India's 1.4 billion consumers. India gets cheaper European imports and new investment. Businesses on both the sides can expand rapidly without any trade barrier. Global supply chain could shift away from US dominated corridors, and this is more than just a deal. It's about power, influence, who calls the shot in global economies. If we talk about India and the world, it is very important. India strengthens its position as the global economic leader by this deal. Europe locks in a lucrative long term market. The US is left recalculating strategy on trade and influence, and with energy, technology, and manufacturing at stake, this particular deal is not just about money, it is about global dominance. And yes, here's the biggest takeaway. The message is loud, the message is clear. India is not following the US directions anymore. Europe is willing to work with India for mutual benefits. Global trade rules are changing fast and old alliances are being tested. So, in the end, while celebrations happen in New Delhi and Brussels, Washington's anger shows the world's economy map is being redrawn, and India is now a major player at the table.